Hey everyone, welcome back. If your internet on a Windows PC feels slower than it should in 2026, like downloads dragging or pages loading late, yeah, you're not alone. The good news is there are some simple optimizations that can noticeably boost your speed, and I'll walk you through all of them step by step. Alright, first, restart your router and your PC. It sounds basic, I know, but it clears temporary network issues and often gives you an instant speed boost. Next, if possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. It's usually faster and way more stable than Wi-Fi, especially for gaming or heavy downloads. Now open Task Manager and check what's using your network. Apps like Cloud Sync, updates, or game launchers can quietly slow everything down. So yeah, close what you don't need. Okay, next, change your DNS settings. Using faster DNS like Google DNS or Cloudflare can improve loading times and responsiveness. Also, reduce startup programs. Too many apps launching at startup can slow your system and indirectly affect internet performance. Now update your network drivers. Outdated drivers can limit your speed or cause instability, so make sure everything is up to date. Here's a hidden one. Turn off Windows Delivery Optimization. It shares your bandwidth to update other PCs. So yeah, disabling it can free up speed. You can also limit reserved bandwidth in Windows settings. By default, some bandwidth is reserved for system tasks, so tweaking this can help. Run a malware scan as well. Some malware can secretly use your internet in the background and slow everything down. Finally, test your internet speed. This helps you see if your optimizations actually worked or if the issue is from your ISP. And yeah, that's pretty much it. These optimizations can make a real difference in your internet speed on Windows. If you still notice slow speeds, it might be time to upgrade your plan or router, but most of the time, these fixes do the job.